Hello again, Professor. This is Hilda again. So we just did a video, the other video for result, what was it? The lab 2, exercise 2. Wash my hands again for result 3. And don on some gloves. And we're going to talk about the bacterial enumeration, dilutions, and plate counts. Isn't this fun? I bet it is for you. Let's see here. We are going to attempt to distinguish the colonies of the bacteria we have cultivated here. All right, let's put this mask back on. Here we go. I'm going to start with my 10-1 culture for the S. cerevisiae. And I want to say that this culture is completely populated. We can't count. This is too many colonies to count. I hope I'm right with this. There's really not too much I can say about it, except that we have maybe 1, 2, 3 little spots where it hasn't been completely populated, and then even then in that little area we have 1 colony in each, I believe, but then again it's just too populated to count. 10-1. For 10-2, as you can see, here we have on this side over here we have some elevation of a colony, and I think that we have, I want to say 1, 2 colonies, because this is just 1 large colony and this is another much smaller. But other than that, just I don't know, it doesn't seem to me like I have enough colonies to even attempt to say, oh, I have a great population here. But this is 10-2, okay? Next we have 10-3 of the S. cerevisiae, and this is a good one. Mine are all tiny, but again, I could spend here, okay, glasses or no glasses, right here we have a bunch of little colonies. They look like 1 whole big colony, but I don't know if you can tell. You could actually see they're little tiny dots. And I mean, I could spend all day counting. These are all too many to count. This is too many colonies. Even though it's not in the entire plate, I can see the colonies though, like just tiny little pinpoints. Okay, this is our plate 3. Now, if you recall, I was short on the Petri dishes, but I removed this, and we have some colonization right there. You see that? It worked. I think I want to say we have, let me see. You see that? This is my 10-4. So for my 10-4, if you give me a second, I think I might actually be able to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I want to count about 75 colonies in there. See that? On the right side on my side, if you look at the. So remember, I did disinfect these with bleach, and then I did a round of alcohol, and then I let them air dry, and then we covered it with the foil right off the roll. So I mean, I hope I don't get ducked, but and then this is 10-5, and I'm gonna do the same thing. And I'm going to take because I can see them through I don't know if you can see them through the paper, you know. these were gonna be airtight, but then I went back and read, and I just made just like one little punch, little needle punch, because the peaches are not airtight. So I figured, no, this needs air as well. So I did make a puncture on the, and again, I see some elevation. I could probably say that this is about 250 colonies or so. If you can see the dots right there, that's what I'm gonna go with. You can see the dots, you can see the elevation, you can see some of the bright colors in there. You could still see that if we let it grow a little longer, we're gonna end up with quite the number of colonies. But this is a very good one because you can see all the colonies are separate. I think that's what we're looking for. But yeah, this is our 10-5. And then, last but not least, I'm gonna do 10-6. And even with this mask, this odor. 10-6. I wanna know, maybe I got contaminated. See 10-6? I only see it around the edge of the cup, all along the edge of the cup, and then I see one big colony right around this area over here. And then this big colony right here. That's the only raised right there. That's the only elevation right there. And then maybe some in the center. But I want to say this is probably, I don't know, I'm going to go with like, because they're big colonies, the ones, if you can see them, they're pretty large, maybe like 25 colonies. Yeah, this is our 10-6 results for lab number 3. It's been an interesting week working with germs and bacteria. Thank you. Good day.